learned something really cool today, and I'm so excited to share this with you in a new video. I'm going to make this quick and jump right in. So today, while playing around on Creative Fabrica, I noticed under this graphics tab that there's something called product mockups. When you click on that tab, it brings you to here, which is full of design options for blank mockups that you can use for your business. There's onesies, mugs, a mommy and me bundle, art, pillows, stuffed animals. There's holiday specific mockups like this really cute Easter onesie. This is literally the coolest thing I have ever seen, and I don't know how I didn't know that this existed like 3 years ago when I started my own Cricut business. This would have saved me so much time and money. I don't have to waste any vinyl making the onesie. I don't have to waste my time, which is valuable. I don't have to waste the onesie itself just to put a design on it so that I can post it on Etsy or Facebook Marketplace or my website. This does it all for me without having to put in the work. I'm going to show you how to use this real quick. So click on download, save the file, mine have been going to my downloads folder, so you can open it. Look how cute this is, guys. So now you right click and click Save As, and save it to whatever folder you want on your computer that you'll remember. I already saved this, so it's just asking me this, so just click yes. Now we need to find a design to put on this onesie. So we'll go back to Creative Fabrica, type in Easter baby SVG, see if anything comes up. Look at all these cute little designs. Check out this My First Easter bundle. I think that these are all super adorable and would be great sellers on any onesies. So I'm going to click download. And it's as simple as just pushing a button. Open up the folder. Click on SVG. And since it's a bundle, there's a ton of different designs. So you just have to go through here and find whatever one you like. Alright, this one's pretty cute. So we can right click it, hit save. Save it to that folder you want. Now we're going to go into Design Space. We have to click Upload, Upload Image, Browse, go to the folder you save them in, and I need Easter onesie. You want to save it as complex. Continue. Select Print Then Cut Image and upload. Click on your picture and insert images. Now you need to upload the second design. So click Upload again, Upload Image, Browse, and find that Easter design. Click Upload, select it, and insert images. Now we have the mock-up picture and the design in the same spot. We just have to adjust it so that the design is on the onesie where we want it. So drag it over and resize it. We can zoom in to get a better look. You can play around with the colors if you want. Like if you want to make this ear disappear and just be white, that's what I would probably do. And there you have it, guys. This is such an easy way to make mock-ups for your website or wherever you're trying to sell your stuff. Next, I'm going to show you how to save your picture using the snip tool. Go over to the start menu and then type in the word snip. Click on the Snipping Tool app. Then select New. Now you can drag the cursor around the area that you want to capture. Click File, Save As. And name your file. And now I have this really cute picture that I can then upload to my website or Etsy and try to get some sales for my business. Creative Fabrica makes running your own Cricut business a lot easier. I'm going to talk to you guys for a quick second about why I love them so much. You probably see me in all my videos. I use designs from here. It's because I subscribe to their monthly all access plan. It's $29 a month and it gives you unlimited access to everything on their site. So we're talking the craft subscription, unlimited fonts, graphics, cut files, embroidery, and everything comes with a commercial license. If you plan on having a Cricut business and selling things, if you didn't make that design yourself, you need a commercial license. You can't sell things with just a personal license or you risk getting sued. Creative Fabrica is my one-stop shop for everything. I don't need to go to Etsy and buy a design. I don't need to second guess if the font that I picked, if that was one of the ones that didn't come with a commercial license, because it's so hard to keep track of the hundreds of different font names there are. If you're buying them from different spots, it's like, oh, does this one, is it personal use only from DeFont, or does it have the commercial license? Because I don't want to make something that could end up getting me sued. They also have other different kinds of subscriptions. You can get their craft subscription, which is only $12 for 3 months. You get over 37,000 cut files. You're part of the craft club. You get commercial license. The font is $19 a month, and you get access to almost 50,000 different fonts with new ones added daily. If you're ever bored and trying to come up with project ideas, just go to Creative Fabrica and go to their search bar and type in whatever it is that you're thinking about. So what's the next holiday coming up? St. Patrick's Day? So let's look up St. Patrick's Day SVG and see what there is. So there's over 2,000 results for St. Patrick's Day SVGs. We'll click on this bundle. It's only $2.99. So if you don't want to do the subscription, you can buy these things individually. That's what I used to do, but I ended up wanting to download everything. So for me, it's worth it to get the all access plan, especially because I use it for my business. So I think this cutest clover in the patch right here is adorable. I'm going to log into my account so that I can download it. Now that I'm logged into my account, you can see downloading it is as easy as clicking a button. We can open up the file, find the SVG we're looking for. I wanted cutest clover in the patch. You can right click, save as. Then go back to design space. I'm going to delete the bunny and upload a different one, which is my cutest clover in the patch. All you have to do is click upload, insert images, resize your design to fit over your shirt or onesie. Now maybe we don't like this Easter background, so we can get rid of the Easter. And let's swap it out for a different one. We'll go back to Graphics, Product Mockups. Let's try out this mock-up. It's great that they have so many different ones because you don't have to use the same picture for all of your designs. It gives you versatility with your website. So click Download, save the picture, then go back to Design Space and upload it. Click Complex, Continue, Continue, save it as a print then cut, upload, then insert images. You can see right now the onesie, we want it to be in the back, but it's actually in the front. So if you right click, you can click Send to Back and it's going to move it to the back where we want it. So now we can select our design and move it right onto the onesie. Drag and drop, save it. Now I have an adorable picture all ready to post for sale. I hope you guys liked this video and found it helpful. I know that this would have been really helpful for me when I was starting my business a couple years ago. It definitely would have saved me a lot of time and money. For more information, project ideas and inspiration, or help running your own Cricut business, check out my website, www.cricketer.com. Using the tabs at the top, you can access articles like Basics for Beginners, Project Ideas and Inspiration. You can see our newest YouTube videos and tutorials, and lots more. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.